Alright, mic check, man. We here, man. It's your boy Mr. One Thow Wow back with another video. Y'all know what time it is, man. Yeah, Sersky. Finna rock out, man. It ain't too much to really get into or say, so hold up. So today we got a story time for y'all. Hey man, you know, coming for y'all, man. As you see, nice little story time. Nothing crazy, nothing too crazy, but I just felt like it's a nice little Sunday. I might as well give y'all a nice little vlog, cause I'm on my way 30 minutes out the way, out the city, you know. So let's get into it, man. Hey man, drop my intro.
Ways. All I need is family, I'll be okay. I've been hustling for a while now. I'ma keep that shit a Thow Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma keep that shit a Thow Wow.
Alright, my bad, y'all. I was getting my helmet straight. Now I'm trying to get my music alright. Okay, we got the music going. Okay, so basically, man, it's your boy Mr. One Thow Wow, man. I'm back with another video. But before we get this video started, man, y'all already know how I'm coming, man. I gotta say thank you to God, the man above, because without him ain't none of this possible. It ain't no video without him, man. So, you know, thank you, God, man. And make sure y'all give this video a like. Comment down below what you like or what you want to see or talk about next. And man, if you ain't subscribed already, man, you better hit that sub, man. What you doing? So yeah, man, basically this is the video. Today's topic is, you know, me getting caught trying to get lucky in my mama crib, man. Y'all seen the title, the description. I tried to get it. I tried to get lucky. And I know my mama probably see this video, so she gonna be saying something, watching it. You already know. No lie. I ain't gonna lie, like, it was always like, you know, this you know that one girl in school that's like the prettiest girl, and everybody want her, you know what I'm saying? So one day, you know, I don't know, I never really had a lot of confidence to really talk to the pretty girls, because I always thought the pretty girls was just gonna shut me down, you know, out the gate. No questions asked, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, boy, who would you redo? Hey, redo!
I don't got time for no broke niggas.
One day I finally gained enough confidence and went up and talked to the pretty girl, man. And, you know, luckily, I don't know how, but I ended up getting her, you know what I'm saying? I guess I caught her attention and she liked me back. I don't know, it was kind of crazy now that I think about it, you know. And basically, we was talking for a couple of weeks. And at this time I had, like, you know, I didn't have my own place. So I was, you know, going from crib to crib. This was around the time where I was living out my car, man. So I had this, you know, I hit this girl up. I ain't gonna say no names, because I don't want to put no names out there, but she know who she is. If she ever see this video, she gonna know exactly what I'm talking about, just off the tag, the description of the video. So basically what ended up happening was I hit my mom up, because I was like, man, you know, I ain't seen my mom in a while. Let me go to my mama's house, man. So I go to my mama's house, and oh, nice little hump. So I go to my mama's house, and you know, she basically was just like, wasn't really doing nothing. My mama like a homebody, like, she don't do too much. So she was in the house chilling and all. So I say, hey mom, this is my friend, blah blah blah. I'm gonna make up a name. I'm gonna just say Malaysia. Rest in peace, Malaysia. So man, this is my friend Malaysia, you know what I'm saying? And my mama met her, you know what I'm saying? She said, hey, you know that little fake mama, hey, like yeah, hey girl, yeah, all that. So she met her, and my mama went in the room. Now when my mama usually go in the room, she usually don't come back out if she shut the door. But if she leave the door open, at any moment she could be coming back out. So my mama went in the room and she was eating, and she went in there and she left the door open. So we sitting on the couch, me and Malaysia, we sitting there, we just talking to each other, you know, whatnot, going back and forth. And Moms came back out. Now when she came back out, she went and threw away her stuff. So when she threw away her stuff, she went back in the room and shut the door. Now, me and Malaysia sitting there, and in my head, you know, my little nasty 18, 19-year-old mind, I'm like, oh yeah, it's go time, my boy, you know? So I see Mom shut the door. I'm like, yeah, Sesky, right on this couch. We finna get it in. If you're watching this, Mom, I'm so sorry, you know, but that's just how it was. I was like, yo, we finna get right. Yeah, okay then. So basically from there, me and Malaysia started kissing. And when we was kissing each other, you know, they always say kissing leads to other things. And that day we tried to make it lead to some other things. And basically what happened was we got up, and when we got up, man, I don't know how to say it, you know, censored, like, you know what I'm saying? So basically we got up and I basically bent over the couch. I'm sorry, Mom, if you're watching it, I'm so sorry. And when I bent over the couch, I don't know if my mama just got wolf ears, owl ears, I don't know what kind of ears she got, but as soon as I bent her over the couch, my mama opened the door. And I knew my mama knew, because she didn't even say nothing. And you know that feeling when you know what you're doing is bad, and you be like, man, my mama finna snap on me, man. She finna, it's like that feeling of, okay, when you yell at me, all right, I'm getting punished, you feel me? If you yelling at me, that's my punishment. My mama didn't even say nothing. My mama sat there and just, you know, left it like, okay, open the door, didn't even walk out. This lady didn't even walk out. You know how mad she had to be to not even walk out?
Lord, please help me before I knock this boy's neck off. 8, 9, 10.
So, me and Malaysia jumped up, put our clothes back on, and from now, we basically like was just like, you know, maybe she ain't catch us, maybe she ain't see. I can't go, boy. Mom saw everything, heard everything. Text me immediately. What y'all did is very disrespectful. Get out and don't ever bring this girl back to my house again. Oh my God, man. But hey, luckily for me, you know what I'm saying, I was grown and I wasn't like, you know, getting whooping still, because I know my mom would have tried to tell you what up backside for real. I don't know what it got me going. But yeah, so Mom, if you watch this video, I know you always have suspicions on what happened that day. Your suspicions was correct, my mama. They say mama always knows, but she definitely knew that day. Not even gonna lie. But yeah, man. Hold on. But yeah, Ma definitely knew what she was talking about that day, cause we was trying to get nasty, Ma, and you interrupted rudely. I was trying to reproduce, give you a little grandson. But yeah, man, look, man, it's your boy, Mr. 1000, man. Look, y'all already know, man, I appreciate y'all watching this video. If you made it this far, man, smack that like button, man. Like I say, comment down below what you want me to talk about next story time, man, and I got you. Look, man, Mr. 1000, if you know sign, then you know sign. Alright, I'll holler. Peace.
Hey, I got some weight on my shoulder, I need to get off cause I already paid the cost. I got some money, it really feel good to go walk in the store about what you want. My teachers, they hated me, didn't have no faith in me, got me some cake, so I started a bakery. Bet they be drumming, I walk with a safe on me, cause oh he diamond that shit, they be